If you have 2 jobs, or your spouse works, and you don't fill out Step 2 on your W-4 correctly, you will underpay federal taxes every single year, and possibly face an 8% penalty. Here's the exact 3-method IRS process for 2026 so you never get that surprise bill again. Here's the core problem. When you start a job, your employer looks at your W-4 and assumes it's your only income. They withhold based on that assumption. But if you earn $50,000 at Job A and $30,000 at Job B, your total income is $80,000. Each employer withholds at the lower rate, and together you're in a higher bracket that neither job accounts for. The result, you owe the IRS at tax time. On the 2026 W-4, Step 2 is specifically designed for this situation. It gives you 3 options. Option A, check the checkbox, quick, but withholding will be slightly higher than needed. Option B, use the Multiple Jobs Worksheet on page 3 of the W-4, more accurate, takes 10 minutes. Option C, use the IRS Online Tax Withholding Estimator, the most precise and the IRS's recommended method. Option A, the checkbox method, is the fastest. You check the box on Step 2 of your W-4 at your highest paying job only. This tells that employer to withhold at the single filer rate for your total income bracket. The downside, it uses a slightly conservative table, so you may overwithhold by $300 to $800 per year, but you'll never owe. This is the safest choice for people who want to set and forget. Option B, the Multiple Jobs Worksheet on page 3 of the W-4, is more precise. You look up the amount from the table based on your 2 income levels and filing status. That amount is a dollar figure you enter in Step 4C, extra withholding per paycheck, at your highest paying job. This compensates exactly for the bracket gap. The worksheet takes about 10 minutes and is printed right on the back of the W-4. Option C, the IRS Tax Withholding Estimator at irs.gov, is the most accurate method. You enter income from all jobs, estimated deductions, credits, and other income. The estimator tells you the exact dollar amount to enter in Step 4C at each job. This is the IRS's recommended method and the best choice if you have complex situations, multiple jobs, investment income, self-employment income, or a spouse who also works. If you and your spouse both work, treat your household as a unit. The IRS recommends using the estimator together, entering both incomes, and then splitting the extra withholding between your 2 W-4s however you choose. The key rule, only one of you should complete Step 2, or only one should claim dependents in Step 3. Claiming dependents on both W-4s doubles the credit and causes underpayment. One final tip, the W-4 you submit is effective for future paychecks only. If you're already halfway through the year and realize you're underwithheld, submit a corrected W-4 immediately and also consider adding a large lump sum in Step 4C to catch up before year end. You can update your W-4 any number of times. Your employer must implement it within 30 days. If you have 2 jobs or a working spouse and your Step 2 is blank, fix it today. Use the checkbox for simplicity or the IRS estimator for precision. Submit the updated W-4 to your employer. It takes 15 minutes and can save you $1,500 or more at tax time. Subscribe for more tax strategies every week.